Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey, creator at Mother Naked. Before I start this video, you know the drill. I do monthly giveaways, so please don't miss out. The details are in the description below. If you want to take part in any giveaway that I'm doing, just make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and that you subscribe to my mailing list on my website. All the details are in the description box below again, so please go and check that out. If you've already done all those things, don't worry, you'll just roll out into another giveaway, the next giveaway. So thank you very much for taking part. This one is for a 3 candle gift set. It should be £30 and you get it completely free if you win it. So take part. Okay, so today, again, it's another requested video that I've been asked for a lot on Instagram, actually. I don't know if you have seen it, but I uploaded this picture to Instagram. Let me show you. Like that. I uploaded this picture of my box, and everyone pretty much thought that I custom made the boxes. I had them done and printed. I did not. I got the idea off my mum, really, because she used to do kind of a special celebrations business, and she had the stamp for her logo, and we found it sorting through some old stuff, and I thought, dude, I can do that, you know, and not have to pay for the printed boxes, because we were actually looking into the printed boxes and the printed bags and all that sort of stuff, and before you know it, your candle's like gone up here, you know, as a price point. So just because you want a decent box and you want a decent bag. But that's no longer an issue for us right now anyway, because these look pretty darn good. And I'm going to tell you how to do your own DIY custom labelled box, candle box, for your business. And how that works is you're going to need to order yourself a stamp. And these stamps are 100% reclaimed materials made with, and they're from stampit.co.uk. I'll repeat it again because there are so many stamp specialists out there, but these are from stampit.co.uk. I can only speak for these because I've got 2 of them and they work really, really well. I don't know about any other brands, but I can vouch for these that they really do work. So what you do is you go on their website, you upload your image or your logo that you want, and then you click kind of like what delivery you want. It's as simple as that. I actually picked the 24-hour turnaround, so I'd ordered it and it was pretty much at my door the very next day. Like I said, I went back for another one, so I do think they're really, really good. I'm in no way affiliated with this company. I've just literally gone on, bought the stuff, and now I'm telling you that they work. That's it. So once you've gone on their website and ordered yourself a stamp and you've got it, these are just the rubber stamps, by the way, the reclaimed wood, you get your candle box, like so. Work out which way we're going to be using our candle box, so we're not silly, and it's needing to go on there. Okay, so I just got this ink pad off Amazon. Again, I'll list everything where I got stuff from. And I also got a spare ink. This is premium stamp pad ink, a little bottle, just in case it goes a bit dry. I can, you know, just put a little bit more on. They do actually sell stamp pads at stampit.co.uk, I think. So if you want to order one from them, that's fine. I didn't because they were a little bit dear. I thought I could get it cheaper on Amazon, and I did. So this is just an Amazon ink pad. We basically it's just a stamp. So I like to do it a little bit, a little bit more than you probably should. And then find a corner that we want, print and stamp. Woo! That's it. Perfecto. And then you're ready to form your box. And that's how that works. And you've kind of got yourself a DIY custom candle box. So yeah, it's that simple, and you can just spend a day just stamping things if you wanted to. The only thing I will say on the bags is that they come out a lot lighter, obviously, because they're going on cotton. Okay, so just so you know what that looks like, that's it printing on a cotton bag. So it does work, it does look really nice, but it is a lot lighter than obviously what you get on the boxes. So that's just preference. If you like that, then get your logo and stamp it on your little bags as well, because they do look really nice. It's a nice touch to have your logo on the bags. Other than that, if you don't like the look of that, just put a sticker on it. So either or, they work really, really well. And that's it. Stampit.co.uk. There's nothing more to it. And then you too can have a DIY custom candle box as well, that looks just printed. So it looks really good. So if you want that kind of effect on your boxes, go and get yourself a stamp. So thank you very much for watching, as always. Don't forget to take part in the giveaway, subscribe to my YouTube and like this video if you want to, and follow me on Instagram at mothernaked.shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Mwah!